Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise in the area of body shape, body sculpting, juicing out the possible results out of your body on the physical, emotional level, and how to conquer the success in your life, in dating, in sex life, in your career, and in relationship with the most important person, with you. If you have a struggle in any of this point, with your dating life, with sex life, with their own body confidence, you need to do one thing. Do not wait any further seconds. Book a free consultation call with me. They're all links down below in this video description. The link to book a call, the link to send me a DM, the link to fill out the Google form necessary for the Zoom call. And we take from there. We will meet over Zoom, discuss further all the details and aspects, and I will help you to transform your life. In today's video, I want to speak with you about the smoking hot subject. How does yoga affect your sex life? They're all names for their spiritual growth, such as yoga, pilates, meditation, spirituality, awakening, tantra. There's so many names, especially today's, where the people travel to Peru, to India, to Mexico. They learn some shamanic experience, some rituals that would help you to fix your sex life. It's not about the finding the way or trick or ritual that would fix the issue. It's about the finding the cause that caused you to have this issue. If you have dissatisfaction or you tend to come again and again to the certain aspects of your life that you are dissatisfied with your sex life, maybe you have a wrong partner. Maybe you are not confident in your own skin, in your own bedroom. Maybe you do not feel your own body. Maybe you do not experience enough orgasm. Maybe you cannot deliver to the partner enough of orgasm. Maybe you do not like to experiment. There's so many possibilities. And it's not about go and run to book the appointment with the sexologist, with the shamanic expert, with the new trend which is coming up on the sexual growth, to go to the sex shop or change something in this direction. It's about simple practice, yoga. And it's not promoting so much about the sex life and the effect of yoga and meditation, but is indeed so crucial in this aspect. And basically, you see, the sex is so important in our life, but no one teaches us how to do it, what to do it, how to gain the much of it. It does not been teaching us in school. It does not get enough of, maybe now, actually the literature there is enough, but still compared to the psychology, etc., there is lower quantity of books on this subject. So, and it's kind of that you need to learn by yourself. And basically, yoga and meditations give you the serenity to be connected with your own physical body, with your emotional body, with your mental well-being or not well-being. Maybe, unfortunately, you go through the certain period in your life when you feel that you break down to the pieces, your mental health basically in a garbage, and you need to do something about it. Such an investment as starting to do yoga and meditation would improve your position. And it's not about that, oh yes, I will book just to fix this. First of all, you need to do because you want to invest in your, yes, it is spirituality, yes, it is awakening, yes, it is a self-growth. So you, first of all, invest in your own self-growth because you want to become a better version of yourself, because you want to evolve in this aspect. It's not about the kind of, you shouldn't come from the aspect when you, for example, you ill and you run to pharmacy to buy this one pill that would fix, but most of the time, you know, you get a pill from the temperature and then it's affecting your kidney. So yoga is not about it. It's about that you take the prescription to practice yoga on a daily basis, and it's positively impacting all your areas of your life. The way you appeal to the life with your emotions, with your mental state, with how do you digest the destruction. How do you digest other people? How do you identify yourself to other people? How do you position yourself to your partner, to the developing of your sex life? So if you have an issues over there, it would help you to feel more connected to your own body, to understand your own body, what you really need to experiment or try, or how do you need to feel your body, every basically cell of your finger and all the way down, so you can be aware. It's not just about the points that you get connected in the bedroom and this happening. No, it's about the feeling of the one body. And it's not only that you have a power with the practicing yoga to feel yourself, your own female body, which is absolutely a temple and heaven in one, but also the partner of yours, the man, that you can feel him on a such a sensual level, which no other knowledge or no other education would be capable to deliver to you this information. And when you invest this in yourself, when you find the really good yogi, you shouldn't go and find some special guru, some shaman. Again, you need to feel connected on a sensual and energetic level to the person, that this person teaches me in this manner. There is a demand, as everywhere in life, in school, in reading the and passing the exam, in losing weight. It's also demanding practice. Yoga, there is a challenging postures, but you need to overcome, and not to overcome from the point that I must because I want to have a great sex. No, it's about that you overcome for your own self-growth, and you know that it will serve you better. Again, the wisdom of these words, if you haven't tried, if you haven't understand, and you haven't reached to the point that you want to be in the position to grow, to develop yourself, to educate yourself, to acquire new skills, it would sound to you like blah blah blah. But when you get the point that actually I curious to try it, I want to educate myself, I want to learn, and the same positioning as, for example, yoga, a tantra comes along the sport. And today it's very popular to use this word, but basically a lot of people, they're using without any knowledge. Again, when you are aware of yoga and practice, you are trying and you practicing on a regular basis with a really good master, you understand your body better, you understand the body of other person. It's not about the basic anatomy, it's about your body and other person with the basic anatomy, with the energy levels, because you could sense where there is an ergon zone, where there is an emotional discomfort, where there is a triggers, because we all have the favorite zone, less favorite zone, when we have a triggers, when we have an emotional baggage and emotional triggers. And when you discover all of this, you would be able to go to the touch and era of your absolute orgasm and the satisfaction of sex that nothing else could deliver to you. No Viagra to your partner, no special creams, not a sex toys, not a special lingerie, not a special lighting. It's all secondary, and basically it's sort of nonsense. It's kind of marketing materials, because the most important, it's you and other person, your partner, blindly, not, I don't want to use blindly, why do I say it, basically naked, two naked persons, and how you can relate to yourself, how he can relate to you, and what you can create together as a mixture. And this is the whole new world, which you may never have experienced before, and it's beautiful world. So here I'm sort of encouraging you to start practicing yoga and meditation. And it's, again, it's not one pill just for this direction. It would enhance and impact your mental health, the clarity of your mind, the focus on of your mind, the way how you look at the things, and the way how you react. Because you remember the beautiful phrase, the life is not about the things that happen to you, it's about the How do you react and how do you handle them? And when you are in the more wise position, when you are grounded, when you are serene, when you standing strong on your both feet because you practice yoga, because you invest in your mental health, because you meditate, because you do fitness, because you do good eating habits for yourself, because you nourish yourself and not throw all sort of garbage in you, you know who you are, you know your confidence, you know your self-value, and you know your energy body, you can connect to other person, to your partner, and enhance your sexual life, your partnership, and long lasting sexual life. Because again, if there's any sort of dissatisfaction, the people tend to disconnect and do not fix it, because why to fix if you can just get new one, get the same problem, same issue, and again new one, and there is never ending cycle. But the lessons that you need to learn, and when there is an issue, you just resolve this issue, and then it wouldn't happen to you again and again, over and over again, in a different circumstance with a different people. It's not to blame someone, it's just to fix and resolve the puzzle and enjoy to the maximum from this beautiful part of their lives that sex can give us. So it's also the ground of the body confidence, of your self-esteem, how do you relate to your body. And of course it's take time, it's take effort, it's take exercise. What I can offer to you, my transformation program, which are focusing on all aspects. It's not one pill that is fixing only your temperature, it's fixing all your matters. It is affecting your mental health, your emotional well-being, your physical appearance, and your relationship to yourself and others, which is conquering your success in life, your career, your dating life, and the areas of your relationship. This is it for this video. Do not forget to put like, do not forget to put comment if you feel that you may trigger something in yourself while listening to this video or while listening to the audible version of it, and let me know what do you think. Share with me in the comments down below. Do not forget to book your free consultation call, and I will see you in the next video.